I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the waistband type and deciding the one-way fix. Measure how much excess you want removed. Note that 1 to 2 change alters fit noticeably. Once measured, mark the spot on both sides so the waistband stays even. Thread a needle with heavy polyester thread or prepare a sewing machine. Use a safety pin to handle elastic. Make sure to work on a flat surface and keep the pant legs out of the way. Start the alteration now. You open a 1.5 gap in the casing where seams are least visible. This gives access without unpicking everything. Thread a safety pin through the elastic, feed it carefully through the channel, and pull the elastic until the waistband reaches your measured target. Cut and overlap the elastic by 1/2 inch, then sew a strong box stitch or zigzag across the overlap so it holds under tension. Once done, tuck the elastic back fully into the casing and pin the gap closed for final stitching. You sew the casing gap closed using small backstitches or a short machine stitch. Trim threads and press gently. Try the sweatpants on and perform movement checks. Sit, squat, walk, and bend to confirm the new fit won't slip or bind. If one side rides higher, make sure the elastic overlap is centered. If still uneven, slightly reduce the overlap and retest. For persistent gaps, use an interior seam to cinch the waist evenly. This quick tweak saves time versus redoing the entire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.